Lawyers, how do you use data to get your cost per case down? Hey, I'm Mary Cary at GoMedia Marketing and Productions, legal marketing specialist in California. There's so many ways to get your cost per case down using data, but I'm only going to give you a couple of my tips because I found that when you're a newbie with data, you might go in either too deep or too hard on it, or you might not do enough to make a difference. So what does make a difference when you're trying to get your cost per case down with data? Here are my 4 tips. 1, do some research first so that when you launch a campaign, you literally know how many people it's possible that you're going to reach. One way to do that is with the Google Keyword AdWord tool. Tip number 2, look to see how many are advertising for the same cases in your area. Tip number 3, in your campaigns, look to see how many are clicking to see your assets. And tip number 4, always ask how they found you and track it back to your campaigns. We build law practices like yours, and we have for over 1 million years. Well, it feels that long. Sign up now for a webinar or an in-house training where we have the time to do a deep dive and go step by step on these subjects. Or if you want us to get your marketing together and do it for you, we can do that too. Oh, I almost forgot. Please like our page, thumbs up, subscribe, get notified, friend us, click, chat, fill out the form, leave a comment, get on our email list. Oh my gosh, you know what I'm trying to say. If you think our content is helpful, stay connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.